Good morning, student. And student, I have finished the second chapter, magnetic effect of current. And due to the reduction in the syllabus by the CBSE 30%, so only you have to study at the topic that is Fleming right hand rule, and rest portion of the magnetic effect of current, that is what deleted for this year. So now I am going to solve some numericals problem which is based on current, electricity. And student, one diagram is given here, and question, listen carefully. Three identical bulbs are connected in parallel with a battery. Three identical bulbs connected in parallel with battery V. The current drawn from the battery is 6 ampere. Here current drawn that from the battery, that is what, 6 ampere. It means that battery send the current of 6 ampere to the circuit. If one of the bulb gets fused, see diagram. If one of the bulb gets fused, see diagram carefully. This bulb is what gets fused. What will be the total current drawn from the battery? So what will be the current? What will be the total current? What will be the total current drawn from the battery? So student, first of all, here three bulbs which are connected in parallel and their resistance is what? Equal. And these bulbs are also called identical bulbs. So resistance of each bulb, that is what? R. And battery voltage, that is what? V. And total current in this circuit, that is what? 6 ampere. So first we find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So R, 3R means this R1, suppose that R1 equal to what? R. R2 also equal to what? R. And R3 also equal to what? R. R connected in parallel. So equivalent resistance R equivalent can be written as, you know the formula, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And student, each resistance, that is R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. So 1 by R equivalent comes out to be that 3 by R. Reciprocal of it, R equivalent comes out to be that R by 3. Now student, we apply the Ohm's law and we know that I equal to what? I equal to V by R. Current which is drawn by the battery, which is given in this case, that is what? 6 ampere. Voltage across battery, which is what? V. And R, that is what? Here R, that is what? R equivalent we have taken. So it can be written as R by 3. So student, it can be written as 6 equal to 3V by R. 3V by R and divide it. So it comes out to be that V by R, which comes out to be that is what? 2, and this is equation 1. Now student, in the second diagram, when one bulb gets fused, so no current is passed through in this bulb because circuit is broken. So in this circuit, in the second circuit, only two bulbs are connected and they are identical and they are also connected in parallel. So equivalent resistance in this circuit can be written as equivalent resistance, that is what? R dash. Equivalent resistance in second circuit can be written as 1 by R dash plus 1 by R, and student comes out to be what? 2 by R. And R dash comes out to be that reciprocal, that is what? R by 2 student. Current drawn by the current sent by the battery in this second circuit. So suppose that current current in second circuit, that is what we show, that is what I dash, and I dash, that is what I, that is what V by R. So here V, and R, that is what here R dash for second circuit, and student this is V, and R dash, that is what R by 2. When 2 moves numerator, so it can be written as what V by R. And student V by R in first equation, see V by R equal to 2. So in place of V by R we put 2. So I dash comes out to be that. So I dash comes out to be that 2 into V by R, that is what 2. So current drawn from the battery, which is what? Current drawn from the battery I dash from second circuit, which is what? 4 ampere. This is the answer. And student, next question, listen carefully. A uniform wire of resistance R is cut into 3 equal pieces, and these pieces are joined in parallel. What is the resistance of the combination? So student, a uniform wire whose resistance is what? Capital R is cut into 3 equal pieces. So resistance of wire R, when it will be cut into 3 equal pieces, so resistance of wire given, resistance of wire which is given, that is what R, when it cut into 3 equal pieces, so resistance of each part, so resistance of each piece, that is what, suppose that R1, which comes out to be, that is what, R by 3, and second part of resistance of second part, that is what, also R by 3, and resistance of third part, which is R by 3. And student, resistance of wire R, which is given, and when it cut into 3 equal pieces, so resistance of each part of the wire, that is what, R1 equal to R by 3, R2 equal to R by 3, and R3 equal to R by 3. And according to question, these are connected to in parallel. So ATQ means, according to question, they are connected in parallel, and you know that in parallel combination we use formula 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And student, 1 by R equivalent, and R1 which is given what, R by 3, R2 also given R by 3, and R3 also given R by 3, and it comes out to be that 3 by R plus 3 by R plus 3 by R, reciprocal. R, we can say that 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, because LCM is R, 1 upon R equivalent. So equivalent resistance comes out to be that reciprocal, R equivalent comes out to be that R by 9. So equivalent resistance comes out to be that R by 9, and this is the answer of this question. And student, next question, I am going to draw the circuit diagram of next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3. This is different type of question which is not in NCERT book. So student, see the diagram carefully. A resistance that is what? R. Another resistance that is what? 4 ohm, and here that is what? R. And connected with a battery. And student, also this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C, which is given. Point A and B, there will be a voltmeter that is here, which is V, and its value is 10 volt. Its value is 10 volt. And another voltmeter, student, which is given in this circuit also, that is 8 volt. V, that will be what? 8 volt. So this is the circuit diagram of a given question. And student, listen carefully. Consider the circuit as shown in figure. The voltmeter on the left reads 10 volt. Left side voltmeter reads 10 volt. And that on the right reads 8 volt. 8 volt. Find. We have to find. First find. We have to find current through the resistance R. Current through R. First we have to find. Second, current through resistance R. Value of R. The value of R. And C part, potential difference across battery. Potential difference across battery. So students, see the diagram, see the circuit diagram carefully. Here battery, send the current in this circuit, and see, always you know that I have already explained to you that voltmeter always connected in parallel in a circuit. So potential difference across R, which is given, voltmeter which reads 10 volt, potential difference across 4 ohm resistance, that is what? 8 volt. So 4 ohm resistance, potential difference, that is what? 8 volt. And students, see the diagram. From A, B, C, R and 4R, which are connected in what? Series. And you know that in series combination, current across each resistor, that will be what? Same. So student, here R and 4 ohm, which are connected in what? Series. And student, potential difference across 4 ohm resistance, we know that. So resistance 4 ohm across which 8 volt potential difference. So we can easily find out current flowing through 4 ohm resistance, and the current which flow through 4 ohm resistance must also be current flow through what? Resistance R, because both are in series combination. So potential difference across 4 ohm resistance, 4 ohm resistance is, which is equal to what? 8 volt. So current I flow through current I flow through resistance 4 ohm. We have to put I equal to what? Formula we use, I equal to V by R, and V, potential difference across 4 ohm resistance, that is what? 8 volt. Resistance, that is what? 4 ohm given. So that is what? How much current flowing through wire? 4 ohm resistance wire. So current flowing through 4 ohm resistance, that is what? 2 ampere. And 4 ohm resistance and R resistance which are connected in series, and we know that in series combination current is same flowing in both the resistance. So current is flowing in 4 ohm resistance is 2 ampere. So current must also be flowing in R resistance, that is what? Also 2 ampere. So since R ohm means R ohm resistance and 4 ohm are in series, are connected in series. So current across R ohm resistance, so current across R will also be 2 ampere. So current across R ohm will also be 2 ampere. So current across R, that is what? 2 ampere. And so current through R, that is what? 2 ampere. Already we calculated. Value of R. So current across R, we know that 2 ampere, and potential difference across R, that is what? 10. So again we use what? We use Ohm's law to find it. So second part, value of R. The value of R. So using formula, I equal to what? V by R, and V, that is what? Voltage across R, that is what? 10 volt, and this is R resistance, and current which is flowing in 4 ohm resistance, that is what? 2 ampere. So current will also be flowing 2 ampere through R. So here, that is what? 2 ampere current flowing through R resistance, 10 by R, cross multiplication, 10 by 2, which comes out to be that what? 5 ampere, 5 ohm. So R value comes out to be that what? 5 ohm. Second answer, that is what? This is the second answer. The value of R, that is what? 5 ohm. And student, potential difference across battery. So total potential difference, that is what? Positive terminal connected to A, negative terminal connected to C. So total potential difference across A and C, that is what? VA minus VC. So third part we have to find. Third part, that is what? Potential difference across battery. Potential difference across battery means, that is, we have to find VA minus VC. Positive potential higher, negative potential lower. So there will be potential difference between point A and C, which is the potential difference across battery. And student, it can be written as VA minus VB plus VB minus VC. Student, if you open this bracket, this VB and this VB minus VB plus VB cancel out, so you get what? VA minus what? VC. And what is potential difference across point A and point B? See, potential difference across point A and point B, that is what? 10 volt. So VA minus VB can be written as what? 10 volt. And VB minus VC. VB minus VC. Here higher potential, lower potential. Here higher potential, lower potential. For this A and B point, A is a higher potential. So VA minus VB. For B and C point, potential at B is higher than potential C. So VB minus VC, which is given, that is what? 8 volt. So that is what? 8 volt. So potential difference across battery comes out to be that 18 volt, and this is the answer. So in this way, student, you can solve various numerical which is based on different circuit. And student, I am going to give a question to you. You must solve it, and till 5 p.m. tomorrow you will show answer through WhatsApp. And I am going to draw a circuit diagram, and you must solve it, and your answer will come through WhatsApp. So student, homework, write down. Homework, that is what? One question, that is, this is circuit diagram, and here student note down this circuit diagram, and here that is ammeter. Ammeter is given, and this is positive and negative. 10 ohm, this is 10 ohm, and this is 20 ohm, and as it is. And the question is that figure show a part of electric circuit. Figure shows a part of electric circuit The reading of the ammeter is 3 ampere. The reading of the ammeter is 3 ampere. The reading of the ammeter is 3 ampere. Find the current through. Find the current through. Find the current through 10 ohm and 20 ohm resistance. Find the current through 10 ohm and 20 ohm resistors. So student, circuit diagram is given 10 ohm, 20 ohm, and here ammeter, and question is that figure shows a part of electric circuit. The reading of the ammeter is 3 ampere. Find the current through 10 ohm and 20 ohm resistor. And student, solve this question and send the solution up to 5 p.m. tomorrow. Thank you.